Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Effect of concentration on feedback mechanisms. Estrogen at low concentrations or at high concentrations has negative feedback on follicle stimulating hormone. Estrogens at high concentrations has positive feedback on luteinizing hormone. Estrogen at low concentration or normal concentration has negative feedback on luteinizing hormone. Estrogen is at progesterone at low concentration has positive feedback on luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Progesterone at high concentration has negative feedback on luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. So estrogen at low or high concentration, it inhibits or decreases FSH. Estrogen at high concentration increases LH. Estrogen at either low or normal concentration, it inhibits LH. Then progesterone at low concentration activates both LH and FSH. Progesterone at high concentration inhibits both LH and FSH.
thank you and thank you for watching.